Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Teenager Who Cooks. Today, we'll show you some quick and easy recipes that you can make with a cool air fryer like this, all by yourself at home. And our special guest today will be Ryan.
Hi. The first thing that we're gonna be making is some very simple spiced chicken. Alright, so we're gonna start off by marinating the chicken. First we have garlic salts. Now this recipe is very, very unspecific because it's like something that my family does all the time and we don't really use recipes. So we're gonna start off with like 2 to 4 or 5 shakes of garlic salt. 2 shakes of cumin. Oh, that's very strong. 2 shakes of cayenne. And some black pepper. That's gonna take a while. And some 5 spice powder. And we're just gonna mix it. What? Oh, okay.
The idea here is just you want to coat all the chickens pretty evenly with all the spices.
Yes, what he said. Okay, so now the chicken has been seasoned and we're gonna leave it to rest or sit for a little bit from anywhere from 1 hour to overnight in like the fridge. So here we have some potatoes that we cut and soaked for a little bit, and then we added some olive oil, garlic salt, and black pepper.
So now we can start using the air fryer. What we do is we first plug it in, and then we'll raise it to like 375
See, it does
degrees.
go up by 25s.
Yeah, it does.
You press the center button.
And then you press the center button, and then you want to cook it for about 15 minutes.
And you need to put it in first.
Put in the fries.
See, the thing that's great about air fryers is you see the food rests on here, and then all the oil and grease from the food drips down, and there's less oil in your food, so it's healthier.
And you can just get a handful of fries. Just spread them out evenly. Alright, now we'll put it back into the air fryer. And restart. So while we're waiting for everything else to cook in the air fryer, I'm just gonna make a nice kind of a guacamole salsa kind of thing. We open up the avocado, and now Master Chef Ryan wants to teach us his trick of taking out the avocado seed.
It's kind of dangerous, so if you're not skilled like me, just kidding. Oh, that didn't work.
Whoa! So I've diced up the avocado, and then if you don't want it to be as chunky as it is right now, you can always take a fork and like smush it up. Ryan, would you like me to do that for you?
I don't care.
Alright. This is what the fries look like
This is only our
after
first
they
batch.
come out of the oven. We just sprinkled some more garlic salt on it, and they are actually really crispy and good. They just taste like regular fried fries.
Regular fried fries, oh boy.
Also, here is the salsa that I made.
It's not salsa, it's guacamole.
Okay, it's like avocado, tomato, onion, cilantro, salt, just literally whatever you want, and it tastes really good too.
Hey, listen to this crunch.
I'm cooking the sesame seed pancake kind of thing. Pretty good. Our fries over here are almost ready. Our marinating chicken is over here. Smells really good. Billy, how do you rate the smell?
10 out of 10.
Alright, the fries are ready. Billy, come over. Let's show you the result. Wow.
Alright, now, where is the garlic salt? We're gonna... Easy. Hi. What? Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay.
No, toss it.
That looks amazing.
Alright.
Add it to the already eaten bowl of fries. Wow. These fries actually look exactly like they've been really fried. Now we're going to start making the chicken.
Alright, so, hey. For these chicken, you want to cook them in batches of...
These chicken?
Yes, these chickens. You want to cook them
We'll do 3.
in batches
We have 3 people.
of
Because we're gonna need 2 batches anyways.
We're gonna do batches of 3. And then what we're gonna do is come here. You wanna set your air fryer
So 375?
to 400 degrees, and you wanna cook these for
20
about 23 minutes.
So, Ryan, the chicken is ready, right?
Yes, this is our first batch. Don't be afraid if the skin puffs up. That's just super crispy goodness. So now we're gonna start with our second batch. Why'd you sprinkle cayenne on here?
Ryan, how does the meal look?
Pretty good.
So we have chips and salsa, sesame pancakes,
Oh my god,
fries,
those are heaven.
chicken, and egg plus tomato. That's what I made earlier. Ryan, take a bite of the chicken and tell us how it is.
Oh, okay. Here we go. That's really good.
See how moist the chicken is, even though we. Wow, and the skin is so crispy and like flavorful too, right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Master Judge Billy is about to try the chicken.
Let's see what you got, Andrew.
That's a big bite.
Billy's contemplating.
It's actually quite nice. Very juicy. The outside is very crisp and the inside is very tender.
Alright guys, so we had a great time making and eating this awesome lunch prepared by us. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next one. This has been Teenager Who Cooks.